So today we'll be unboxing the LG UHD TV model UN71, and one of my favorite features is that it works with the Magic Remote, one of the best remotes from LG and also from the market. Hey, what's up? Adrian here with the Unboxed, bringing you tech unbox, news, reviews and more. So if you're new to this channel, consider subscribing. And hey, at any point during this video, check out the show notes and links in the description below. I'll list all the details and everything else I forgot about this TV. And also, don't forget to smash, obliterate and destroy the like button, like you always do. And let's jump into this unbox. So before we jump in this unbox, we have a small problem. The box is broken here and hopefully the TV is okay, but we'll see very soon. Hopefully it's fine. And now let's jump into this unbox. And we have the usual tool for unboxing, and there goes one, there goes two. Let's see if it goes up. No. Let's open this first. And just in case you're wondering, this is not my TV, this is my brother's TV. That's actually mine. Now let's open this one. See what we first get here. So we have the power cable, one stand and the other stand. So two stands for this TV. Probably just like that. And what else do we have in the box? The remote and the manuals, like usual, and batteries. As you can see, this is small enough that you can just hold it and it's not so heavy. So let's first see where that hole was. Let's see if we have a problem there or not. Now I don't see any problems with that. It doesn't seem to have gotten in the TV or to have been breaking it or something, but we'll see when we turn the TV on. So the TV itself is not that slim, but it's fine for the price you pay for it. Let's first put the stand. I am going to rest it on the back for now. Now let's see what do we have here on the side. Let's open this stand. I don't see any screws here, but I think it should have one screw. Should be somewhere around here. So that's one, and that's the other one. It even says A and B on this one. Second one exactly the same. So I think it says AB, so you know which one in which corner you should put. And now let's open the manuals and the remote bag. Let's see. Let's check the manuals first and whatever we have here. An energy sticker, we're not going to use that. Another one, how to unbox probably, so we'll skip that. Yeah, so I'm not sure what's that. What else? So this is Rakuten TV, and as you can see here, the Magic Remote, which I have for the other TV, for mine. It does work with this one, but as you can see, this remote is different. And if you want to use this remote, you'll have to buy it separately from the TV. You don't get it with the TV. What else? Customer information center and safety stuff. What else? We have the screws. Two screws for two stands. Cable management ribbon. Not bad. And the remote. Let's take the remote out. It's like a standard LG remote. It doesn't look bad, but I do prefer the Magic one. My opinion, the best I've used so far. So let's put the batteries. Oh, it actually turned mine on. I'm gonna turn it off. So we might have a TV remote problem. Hopefully not, but we'll see. Now let's put the two stands. So in case you don't know which one goes where, it's very easy. On this one says A, here it says A, so that's where it goes. And you just push it there, put the screw in, and take the screwdriver and screw it nice and tight. And let's do the other side. Be careful not to break the stand, because that would be quite a big problem. And the second stand. Okay, that's about it. And now let's put it on the stand. I'll show you the back now. So here in the back we have optical output, LAN, USB-A, one HDMI port, and then we have these ports that most people don't use them now, but just in case you need them, and antenna and direct satellite in. And also on the side we have a card slot, I'm not sure exactly for what, another two HDMI ports and another USB-A. Now let's connect this TV to power and see if there's a problem in that corner or not, hopefully not, and how it works. We'll also be connecting it with a PS5 to test it. And now it seems like we have power, and let's turn it on. Hopefully it doesn't turn on mine as well. It did turn on mine as well. So one remote, two TVs. Simple. It's loading something there now. So I have been looking in that corner and it doesn't seem to have broken the TV. We'll see in the future if something appears in that corner or not. But for now it's okay. Press the OK button. Press the OK button. English. You can use it as a store mode. Next. We can connect the PS5, but we'll do it later. We can connect the Wi-Fi network. So I've just connected the internet. One problem that I really find annoying is that it also works with my TV, so they're both working at the same time. So when I press buttons here, it also presses buttons there. It is quite weird. I'm gonna try and use the magic remote, see if it turns both off or not. Yeah, it actually works with both. Might be a problem for me and my brother because the rooms are next to each other and we might turn on and off our TVs. Yeah, that's a real problem with these remotes. We'll see what can we do, if we can fix it or something, or hopefully it doesn't come across the wall from the other room. Okay, now let's go further with this one. Let's agree all. I just unplugged my TV because it goes everywhere there. TV only. Next. Okay, so we are in the program tuning, but we don't need that. We're not gonna use it for that. My brother is going to use this for PS4. We're just playing on the PS4. As you can see, you can also use AirPlay. So that's the menu. This remote is really basic with the buttons and everything, as you can see. Yeah, let's connect the PS5 now. Now let's turn the PS5 on. And as you can see, it appears that we have something connected. Ultra HD deep color will be turned on. Okay. So we can actually adjust the display area because the PlayStation saw that we have a new TV here, which is really interesting. Let's do some gameplay. Let's play some Assassin's Creed. I think the quality is really good. It's 4K. It's very good for playing games. Let's actually turn this light a bit off and only see the TV. I think the light is bright enough and everything looks great for this TV. It's really good. You can play games no problem on this one, and I also think you can watch movies as well. So overall, I think this is a good buy for my brother. A very good TV for playing games and also watching some movies in the spare time. And I would definitely recommend it. The greens, the blue, the colors are very good. The quality of the picture is crystal clear because it's 4K Ultra HD. One thing that I really notice, because my TV is OLED and this one is just LED, I can actually see the light underneath the screen, which with the other one I can't because it's real black. So anyway, a good TV for anything you want to do on it. You can even stream on it from your MacBook or from Apple phone. You can stream videos through AirPlay. Let's check the menu. So that's the menu. HDR, cinema, game. It also has a game mode, as you can see, which I think it looks a bit better than before. And I think it also has to do with the lag input, so it will be faster because of the refresh rate. What else do we have? Filmmaker mode, vivid. Vivid mode is not bad. Now let's see, sound mode, standard, cinema, clear voice, sports, music, game. I can see it's a bit louder now. Let's hear. Probably it's a bit more crisp. Standard is a bit more muffled. Cinema, clear voice. Yeah, what's next? Ultra surround. Interesting. What else? Optical. You can use Bluetooth, as you can see. You can connect a Bluetooth speakers or headphones or anything you want. Optical. Sleep timer, network connected, edit mode, all settings. Yeah, so this one looks exactly like my menu. Let's try the magic remote. So you can see here are the settings for the magic remote, but I don't actually see the pointer. So let's see, do we have to connect it somehow, or how does this work? No, but this is very interesting. You can turn your PS5 on just by turning your TV on as well. It's very nice and easy. But you can also do it the other way around, which I really enjoy doing. So when I press the PS button to turn the PS5 on, the TV is gonna turn on as well. I really like this feature. I'm not entirely sure why we cannot see the cursor here. Probably because this one is connected to my TV. It's not working on this TV, but I am not 100% sure. Because when I usually do this, it should just work. Turn the cursor on. Thank you for watching. I hope I helped you with this video. Don't forget to click the links in the description below if you want to check out the LG UHD TV model UN71. And I'll see you on the next one.